Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys Bluetooth setting, and today video title guys how to forget Bluetooth device in Infinix mobile. Friends, you have connected any Bluetooth device, you have paired any Bluetooth device with your Infinix mobile, and now you want to forget. So friends, how to forget Bluetooth device one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone Bluetooth setting. First of all friends, click here more connection option. Then friends, click here Bluetooth setting. So friends, I have paired my speaker with my Infinix mobile, and friends now I don't want to use. So friends, how to forget Bluetooth device? Friends, right click here, forget option, forget device option. Friends, after forget you cannot use your Bluetooth speaker with your device after forget. And again friends, if you select your device to connect, so friends you cannot connect. Click here pair option, then you can connect, otherwise you cannot use your Bluetooth device setting. So like that friends we can forget Bluetooth device. And friends, you have any problem in your Bluetooth setting, so friends open your phone system setting and open your phone reset option setting, and friends reset your Bluetooth setting. So friends, after forget you cannot use your Bluetooth device. Again you want to use, off your Bluetooth, again on your Bluetooth, select your Bluetooth device, right friends click here pair option, then you can pair. And if you click here cancel option, so you cannot pair your device. Bye friends, like the video. Before going, please go and like the video. Bye.